Hi guys, finally the Z Fold 4 is here. Samsung have just released the new smartphone few hours ago. ABTEK. So, Samsung pushes the boundaries of smartphone versatility with its 4th generation foldables, providing enhanced productivity, customization capabilities, and FlexCam experiences. On the 10th of August, Samsung Electronics unveiled the Galaxy Z Flip 4 and Galaxy Z Fold 4, two groundbreaking new foldable smartphones. Both devices offer individualized experiences, adaptable form factors, and improved performance. The Galaxy Z series, now in its 4th generation, keeps challenging the status quo to create innovative, significant interactions that improve daily living. Please like this video if you are a Samsung phone lover, and if you haven't subscribed already then hit subscribe button now so you don't miss a thing in the future. The Z Fold 4 from Samsung has also been improved with a slimmer hinge, smaller bezels, and an 8-gram weight loss over its groundbreaking predecessor. To make it easier to use like a typical smartphone, the phone is bigger on the outside and shorter when closed. With Google, the Android 12L operating system has been built to make better use of the folding design and huge internal 7.6-inch screen. It offers a more desktop-like experience and more third-party programs, such as Facebook, that have been scaled down for tablets. Upgraded cameras on the back bring it up to par with the Galaxy S22 series released earlier this year, including a brighter 50 megapixels main camera and a 3x optical zoom camera. The Z Fold is a more challenging form factor and arguably is a much more experimental device compared to the Z Flip, said Manning Smith. Samsung will be hoping the improvements to its foldable smartphone lineup make the phones a more reliable rather risky purchases in the eyes of consumers, and it should be applauded for its tireless work in developing the category. Does a lot in one hand with its 6.2-inch cover screen. 1 in both hands, the 7.6-inch main screen makes it your ultimate do more device. 2 and when you need to go hands-free, simply set it down, find a good angle and leave it there while you get more done. Z Fold 3. You can now fully enter the zone. There is more screen than the Galaxy Z Fold 3 and no black dot to come in the way of your favorite games thanks to pushed-back bezels and an even more covert under-display camera on a stunning 7.6-inch Infinity Flex display. 2.8 Swiping through the newsfeed or gliding through games, it all flows smoothly on the 120Hz display. This refreshingly responsive screen even adapts the refresh rate to optimize the view for you. Move past finger to screen and bring S Pen into the mix. 6 Get natural precision with every stroke that feels as familiar as pen on paper. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe and comment the country you are watching from. See you in my next video.